Hello everyone. Because it's snowing today, I thought it would be a lovely chance to do a maths activity related to snowflakes. Now snowflakes are really beautiful and unique, but they also have lines of symmetry, which is a really interesting thing to investigate. So I thought I'd teach you how to make a snowflake, and then you could carry out your own investigation into snowflakes and symmetry. So to do that, you'll need a piece of paper, and then you'll need to draw a circle. It's a really good idea to trace around something, so maybe like a plate or something. And if you trace quite big, it's easier to make a nice big snowflake. So try and do it big enough, not too small. So when you've cut out your circle, step number 1 is fold it in half. And step number 2 is fold it in half again. This will help you find the middle point. Then unfold it so you've got a semicircle like this. Your next step is to bring one of the corners across slightly further than this line in the middle. So about there, that's about right. After that, bring the next side over, so you should be developing a nice little cone shape. If it doesn't quite go, that's all right, just squidge it a little bit, it should be fine. So you've got a nice little pizza slice shape now. Now, what we're going to do is just snip things out of the sides and the curved edge as well. Not all the way through, because I don't want to cut it into pieces, but I just want to cut a little pattern. So I'll cut a couple just to show you. One here, one here. Let's do the other side and see if I can make it symmetrical so it looks the same on both sides. I might not be able to, but we'll see. One here. Let's do a little at the top. One here, and one here. And what I can actually do as well is fold it a little bit and maybe cut a little slice out of the middle. You see, I'm not cutting it all the way through because I don't want it to fall apart. When I've got a little shape like this, I can unfold it and we can see what pattern we've got revealed. There we go, a lovely snowflake. All of your snowflakes should be unique. Make a few, decorate your room, and have a lovely time in the snow. Stay safe, take care. Bye for now.